Good morning, everyone. Welcome to FX Giants Weekly Outlook. And this week, we're going to be looking at some pairs. Without wasting further time, let's jump into our chart. So the first pair on our watch list today is Euro USD. On the monthly time frame, Euro USD has come into a key level. We are at a key level in Euro USD now. If you can see here, price has tapped into this zone multiple times, and we are seeing some massive rejections at that level. So moving further without wasting time, based on what we have seen on the higher time frame, I'll be looking for higher prices in Euro USD. And if we can see the order flow here, the order flow is currently bullish, but price is failing to break above this current high. So what we want to see is a break above this current high, then the retest. This high is at 1.06064. So I want to see a break above 1.06064. Then upon a retest, we're going to look for opportunities to go long. And our first TP is going to be 1.07712 region. That's going to be our first TP. And we may see potential moves to the upside after that. But for now, we can see a pattern forming here, and this is a reversal pattern forming here. So once we break out of this ascending triangle, we're going to look for long opportunities to the upside. So our bias on Euro USD is long to the upside if we see a break above this zone marked out here. So without wasting time, we move to GBP USD. If you look at GBP USD on the monthly time frame as well, you can see that GBP USD has come into a key zone. Although we have been massively bearish the past few months, but you can see that last month was a massive rejection after tapping into this key zone. So if we move lower, we can take this as a retracement for now, and massive rejections currently occurring at that zone. Let's move further for clarity. So Euro GBP USD has broken its last high on the 4 hours time frame, which is also a bullish signal for us. So what we want to see is on GBP USD is a push to the upside, because we can see massive rejections currently occurring at this zone. So if we see a break above this high at 1.23326 zone, we'll be looking for higher prices. But first of all, we want to see a breakout above this region, because as we can see here, price has been failing to break above this resistance here. So we want to see a break above that resistance. I'll mark it out here. This is what we're talking about. We want to see this zone broken first. Then we can look for higher prices, because from our outlook, from our analysis on the monthly time frame, we can see that we are currently in a key zone. So moving further, we'll move to US oil. US oil has been bearish overall in the past few weeks on the lower time frame. But when you go to the higher time frame, you see that US oil have pushed so much to the upside, so we can expect a little retracement to the downside. Last week, based on our outlook, we gave an analysis that price was going to come down to this level marked with this black line here, and that was our TP1, which we have hit successfully. So currently, US oil is experiencing a retracement back to this previous support turned resistance now. So what we'll be expecting is to see a sell continuation pattern at this zone. Then we can look for opportunities to go short, and our target is going to be this low here at 97.45. So once we see a pattern form there, we're going to look for sell opportunities. But at the moment, we'll be patient and see how price develops today. Then we'll take our trade. But overall, our bias remains bearish on US oil. So that's going to be our analysis for today. If you like this analysis, you can follow up on our social media platforms for more analysis like this. Thank you and have a wonderful week.